So I've spent the last 48 hours making my cat a custom cottage out of a cardboard box, and I know that she's going to ignore it, but I'm doing it anyway.
Welcome to the club. Nice.
Here's where we're at so far. Scary stuff is the scary stuff. Flower boxes, door handle right here. Mailbox, I'm gonna make mail. And, oh, damn it. Whatever. Windows for her to look out. Oh, fuck. I still have to make flowers for the flower boxes, and I need to do the interior. I also, I ran out of blue paint, so I had to improvise, which is why it's multicolored. God, she's gonna sniff it and walk away. I just fucking know it. So now I'm painting the little windows. I guess you don't want to watch my chin acne, you want to watch the painting. I just took a picture. Does this look like jail? Or does it look like a cottage? I know what a cottage fucking looks like. Now, would I want to live in this cottage? No, it's a studio. If I'm gonna invest in a cottage, I want it to be at least a 3-bedroom. I've had to remind myself every time I fuck up that this is for a cat who both loves me and doesn't care if I live or die. Something you should know about me is that I am using a 188-foot continuous glue stick. There's a man coughing outside. It's a little bit big. Should I, excuse you. God, it's a mess. Should I cut it? They're loud. My cat is not gonna care about this at all, but I care. I could lean in. I'm gonna add polka dots in different colors. I actually really like that. I think that's actually chic. Okay. God, that looks bad. No, it looks great. It looks really good and your cat's gonna love it. Have I drawn a circle before? You'd think no. Did I make it worse? That one looks bad. Okay, and maybe there's where we stop. What's nice is if something's ugly, you can always add rhinestones over it. One more. If anyone teaches any classes in LA of how to draw a fucking circle, okay, enough. Oh, it immediately fell over. Now I need to paint dots on this one. What if I did a different color? No, I'm gonna hate that. I already glued this one down, so here we go. And maybe this side is ovals. 100 years later. Okay, one more down here, and then I'm walking away. I made it bigger. Didn't want to do that. Okay, doesn't it feel like there's something missing, like here? I'm sick. And what if there was just one over here? It's on the side of the cottage, not even the front. Putting the brush down. Who's next? Got my little door handle. I kind of want to make it hot pink. Whatever. Such a good color. Well, that's fun. What's so beautiful is that a cat does not even use a door handle. I am gonna make curtains. So cute. And my process here is sort of just try to remember the general area where my finger was and then cut it on the ground. I just heard AOL dial-up. Where's a wooden dowel when a girl needs one? You know what I mean? Little string. I should eat. Sorry. That's so fucking cute. I'm going in. Where are my wooden dowels? Sorry to say, I'm using an old paintbrush instead. And these are just the sort of hacks you get here on Shitty Craft Club. Oh, it all fell off. Okay. Nobody's gonna know. And you know what they say? A paintbrush is just a wooden dowel in a wig. So fucking genius. Sorry, this is so cute. Wow. Didn't know a back could hurt that much. Bodies are beautiful. Sometimes I feel like the raw cardboard looks better. Whatever. Ultimately, someone's gonna see this and be like, "Aw, did somebody's parents help them make this?" And then I'll go, "I made it all by myself." And they'll be like, "Okay." Lunch break. I forgot to record after lunch. Don't worry, it's only been a half an hour and all I've done are these. And now I will stab holes in the cardboard and see if that works. It's working. I ran out of paintbrushes, so I'm finger painting, and it does ultimately just look like I whipped my finger in shit. Let them talk. And what's so beautiful is that anything can be a curtain rod. Wow, that's uneven. Pencil's too big. Glitter glue stick can also be a curtain rod. It's definitely worse. This is actually a species of flower that looks like somebody bent the edges. So I have to make little envelopes because obviously the cat gets mail. Went to cut my paper, realized I put the scissors in paper glue. So this happened. I'm watching a tutorial. Slow the fuck down. Well, I think instead the cat's gonna get cardboard fish in the mail. He needs a googly eye. Does it make you uncomfortable to know that I'm a Virgo? Wallpaper. How could I fucking forget? Okay, let's see. I'm looking for tape, but this is what I'm looking at. So who knows? Ah, I always know. Did I get fake birds? What the hell is this? Ugh. There's nothing you can't fix. Aha. Wait, this looks kind of funny. They need to be done, but I keep finding things. Yeah. I'm a genius. Now, what color? Wow. I mean, Tuna Mansion is complete, sort of. Remember that? Maybe a lot of floor, but what is happening? And in my next video, I will give it to my cat and we'll see what happens.